In today's episode, I'm going to show you 20 reasons why you need an hourly planner in 2023. So let's get started. Perspective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, I'm Christina V. Rising and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show, where I cover planner and productivity tips to help you plan for what's to come. Subscribe now for new podcasts and videos weekly so that you won't miss anything. Shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Perspective Plans patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into this episode. Tip 1 helps you manage your time better. You may organize your work and appointments in an hourly planner so that you can take full advantage of all the time you have. Additionally, it can assist you in locating potential time wasters so that you can adapt your timetable. An hour of planning can save you 10 hours of doing. Dale Carnegie. Tip 2 allows you to prioritize your tasks. Your duties can be prioritized according to their significance and urgency by dividing your day into hourly chunks. In doing so, you may avoid becoming sidetracked by less significant activities and ensure that you are handling the most crucial ones first. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Tip 3 keeps you focused on your goals. You may establish daily, weekly, or monthly goals with a planner and monitor your advancement in accomplishing them. Being able to see your writing improvement may be immensely inspiring and keep you committed to your objectives. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Tony Robbins. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com, helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 4 helps you plan your day in advance. You may lessen tension and anxiety by organizing your day in advance so that you can know exactly what has to be done. You may avoid rushing to do things at the last minute with its assistance. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. Tip 5 ensures you don't forget any important tasks. You can keep track of all of your appointments and responsibilities with an hourly planner, ensuring that you never forget anything crucial. During the day, it's simple to stray off course, but a planner can keep you on course. In life, you need either inspiration or desperation. Tony Robbins. Tip 6 helps you break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. It might be difficult to manage to think about a large project in its entirety. You may divide it up into smaller, easier to manage activities that you can do to manage during the day or week with the help of your hourly planner. If you're not willing to risk the unusual, you'll never settle for ordinary. Jim Rohn. Tip 7 helps you avoid procrastination. It may be more difficult to put off tasks until later when you have a timetable to adhere to. Being motivated by the knowledge of having a deadline to meet may help you stay on target. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing the best today. H. Jackson Brown Jr. Tip 8 helps you track your progress. You can see how much you've completed over time by using a planner to keep track of your chores and appointments. This may be quite motivating and keep you moving in the direction of your objectives. Plan the week, then work the plan. Napoleon Hill. Tip 9 helps you stay motivated. Writing down your triumphs and growth may inspire you greatly. You may feel more in charge of your life and have the motivation you require as a result. Failing to plan is planning to fail. Benjamin Franklin. Tip 10 helps you avoid burnout. You can prevent burnout and make sure that you are taking care of yourself by planning breaks and, of course, your rest. Taking pauses frequently during the day to refuel and prevent feeling overburdened. A year from now, you will wish that you had started today. Karen Lamb. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. Tip 11 helps you balance your personal and professional life. Your personal and professional lives can be balanced if you use an hourly planner to live a life both within and outside of your work. It's crucial to make time for both. One day or day one, you decide. Unknown. Tip 12 helps you set realistic goals. You may make attainable objectives with the help of a planner. This might keep you from feeling overburdened and can keep you motivated to reach your objectives. You know, all of those things you've always wanted to do, you should go do them. E.J. Lamprey. Tip 13 helps you stay accountable. You may hold yourself responsible for finishing your duties and appointments, but writing them down. When you are aware that something is written down in front of you, it is much more difficult to put it off. The cost of not following your heart is spending your entire life wishing you had. J. Paulson. Tip 14 helps you create a routine. You may establish a daily routine that keeps you organized and productive by adhering to the timetable. By following this regimen, you may create positive habits and make it simpler to achieve your objectives. There are 7 days of the week. Some day isn't one of them. Benny Lewis. Tip 15 helps you make time for self-care. You may arrange time for self-care activities like exercise, meditation, and reading using an hourly planner. You may do this to lessen stress and enhance your general well-being. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Peter Drucker. Tip 16 helps you avoid overcommitting. With a planner, you can see how much time you have each day and prevent taking on too much. Saying yes to too many things makes it simple to become overwhelmed and worried. However, using a planner will allow you to see how much time you have available and ensure that you aren't taking on too much. Anything is possible if you've got enough nerve. Unknown. Tip 17 helps you avoid distractions. You may lessen your chance of becoming sidetracked by other things by planning out your assignments and of course your appointments in a planner. It might be simpler to resist becoming distracted by social media, emails, or even other distractions when you are clear. When you are clear on what has to be accomplished in your day and of course a given time frame. If it isn't a clear yes, then it is clearly a no. Greg McCowan. Tip 18 helps you stay organized. The best tool for maintaining organization is a planner and will always be a planner, even if you decide to do digital planning. You may prevent forgetting things and losing track of vital information by jotting down all of your appointments and responsibilities in one simple location. Additionally, having everything in one location makes it simpler to keep track of deadlines and of course your due dates. What we fear most is usually what we most need to do. Timothy Ferriss. Tip 19 helps you improve your productivity. In the end, a calendar may increase your productivity by helping you stay motivated, organized, and focused. You are less prone to squander time or put off tasks when you have a timetable to stick to. Additionally, you're more likely to stay motivated and productive if you can track your development and of course successes in writing. The harder I work, the luckier I get. Samuel Goldwyn. Tip 20 helps you reflect and improve. You may evaluate your daily or weekly successes and identify areas for growth by using an hourly planner. You can find opportunities to enhance time management by periodically examining your planner to find activities that took longer than anticipated, projects that were abandoned, and tasks that were left unfinished. Your planning and scheduling habits may be modified in response to trends you discover via self-reflection, improving your long-term productivity and of course your efficiency. You can do anything, but you can't do everything. David Allen. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip on the list. Tip 1 helps you manage your time better. Tip 2 allows you to prioritize your tasks. Tip 3 keeps you focused on your goals. Tip 4 helps you plan your day in advance. Tip 5 ensures you don't forget any important tasks. Tip 6 helps you break down large projects into smaller manageable tasks. Tip 7 helps you avoid procrastination. Tip 8 helps you track your progress. Tip 9 helps you stay motivated. Tip 10 helps you avoid burnout. Tip 11 helps you balance your personal and professional life. Tip 12 helps you set realistic goals. Tip 13 helps you stay accountable. Tip 14 helps you create a routine. Tip 15 helps you make time for self-care. Tip 16 helps you avoid overcommitting. Tip 17 helps you avoid distractions. Tip 18 helps you stay organized. Tip 19 helps you improve your productivity. Tip 20 helps you reflect and improve. Dreams don't work unless you do. John C. Maxwell. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.